to the Mobile Made Simple YouTube channel. These have just arrived and it's the first unboxing. So this is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in Mystic White, and this is the new Galaxy Buds Live. The only thing is, with the Buds Live, they have sent the bronze version, which I thought they may have matched it to the phone that was ordered, but evidently not. First we'll take a look at the Note 20. So this is the Mystic White, and unfortunately, as I am in Europe, it is the Exynos version, but some of the reviews do say it is a bit more optimized, so fingers crossed. So we'll get a pair of scissors, slide this open, this safety tag over here, put that through there, and we flip this over. Always remember, with a Samsung box, your pin and your accessories are actually stuck in the lid. So pull this out. So here first we have the pin, which is used to put the SIM card in. So I'll get that out now. So I need that a bit later on. Put that to one side. And then in here, it's just the normal quick start guide and the Samsung warranty card. It is worth mentioning that obviously we do know the Snapdragon version is superior, but if you do end up importing that, you may not be able to claim on your warranty in Europe, so it is worth bearing that in mind. And that's one of the reasons why I did go for the Exynos model. And also I want 5G working on my carrier, which I've heard may not work on certain UK carriers. So pull this out. So, oh, that's very nice. So I actually chose Mystic White, and I thought the bronze, like everyone's reviewing the bronze, everyone's going to have the bronze, and I thought the bronze looked a bit like rose gold and it was a bit girlish, so I decided to go for the Mystic White. So as you can see, it is a very reflective back with like chrome edges. You've got your SIM tray on top and the SD card slot in there as well. Yes, you can expand this memory. At the bottom you've got your S Pen that's now moved to the opposite side. There's the phone, and then obviously under here, what do we have? So we've got the 25-watt charger, USB cable for your 25-watt charger, and then some AKG buds that are actually white. I don't know if they're different colours in the other models, but with a white phone, they are white headphones. So we just take the plastic off this. That to one side. I'm gonna leave the plastic on the front for now because I have ordered a white stone dome glass protector, so I'm gonna leave the plastic on. Then as soon as the white stone dome comes later, take off the plastic, fit it, and then obviously put a case on as well. It still surprises me that obviously these phones do retail for over $1,000 and yet there's still no included case, which I know a lot of the Chinese companies like Xiaomi and Huawei, they do provide a free clear case. Obviously it's basic, but it does give you something to put straight on the phone so you can start using it while your case arrives or you order the case you want. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can see it's already showing fingerprints on the back. I will get that a wipe now. But yeah, so I'm going to set it up, and then hopefully later I'll have a review on the website, and I'll also get some videos on regarding the installation of the white stone dome. Move this to one side. So this is the Buds Live. As I said earlier, this is the bronze version. It would have been nice if they had colour match with the phone you'd ordered, but for a freebie, can't complain. So slide that open. Oh, missed one at the bottom. Just cut that as well. So in here, a little Samsung leaflet. When I can open it. Not sure what this is. Oh, wasn't worth all the effort. It's just a quick start guide. So as I said, it is the bronze model, and it is a nice colour, but it still does come across to me as quite pinkish. And that's obviously why I did choose the white Note Ultra. So we open that, and the buds themselves are extremely shiny, but I'm looking forward to obviously getting these in and then trying them later. Well, that's a nice satisfying click. And then in here, that'll be your charging cable and like replacement ear tips, I think. Just have a look. Yeah, it's a cable and a couple of ear tips in there as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you do have any questions about the Note Ultra, send it over and hopefully I'll be able to answer your questions. So there we have again the brand new Note 20 Ultra in Mystic White and the Samsung Galaxy Live in bronze. Thanks for watching.